We are sucked in, institutionalized by the system. These Babylonic towers which we've built now shield our vision, this money, this politics, this remission. And the stars in our eyes are dollar signs. From matchbox apartments and high fenced hives, we are a city that never sleeps, a concrete jungle of dreamers, marching on pavements with stars in our eyes. We look up at airports and billboards, hypnotized, dazed, yet unfazed by the maze of yesterday's names on street signs. Our faces cry of sweat, 'cause in this Galatia, we race against time. Heaving, breathing, being rejected, weaving through a throng of graduates dejected, hustling in the hustle bustle of the unemployed, getting lost in the traffic jam of the hustle convoy, motivated by the milk and honey that we hope to one day enjoy. But man, the rules of this system smells like death at my door. This hierarchy and anarchy, I pray away every day the pride that seeks to demolish me. The stars in our eyes are dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs. The stars in our eyes are dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs. The stars in our eyes are dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs. And the stars in our eyes are dollar signs, dollar signs. What will Mama say? What will Papa say when they find that I've sold my soul for money? What will Coco say? What will my money say when they find that I've sold my soul for money? And we shall leave solace legacies by the riverside, where our fathers rested after walking long walks to freedom. We, the generation that swapped our identity for the paper. Dollar signs, and the stars in our eyes are dollar signs, dollar signs. Lerato waga Matsomela AKA Scribess. I'm outie.